Hello everyone. In previous video we learned how to open or how to launch internet on our computers. See, as we discussed, with the help of web browsers we are going to launch or we are going to open internet in a computers. See, basically in my computer I am going to use two web browsers. That is, one is Google Chrome and another one is Microsoft Edge. See, if I am using Windows latest version, that is Windows 11. In Windows 11 operating system, the Microsoft Edge will be the default web browser. See, web browser is nothing but the bundle of information already saved in the form of web pages. The web pages are going to make millions or billions of web pages are going to make one web browser. And the web page is nothing but it is a single page. Web page is a single page. And the content what we are going to display onto the web browsers, that we are going to call it as web page. These are the differences between web browser and web page. Now practically we are going to launch or we are going to open internet on the computer. See, first the computer should on, and here on my computer desktop, as I shown here, I am using two popular web browsers. One is Google Chrome and other one is Microsoft Edge. One is Google Chrome and second one is Microsoft Edge. Okay, now just select cursor and keep the cursor on that particular web browser. Right click on that. Under right click we are going to get open option. Click on open, or else if you simply double click onto the particular web browser, the web browser is going to be open. So as soon as I click on the Google Chrome web browser, one of the Google Chrome home page is going to be appear here. See here, this is the Chrome or Google home page. See, home page is nothing but this is the first page of any organization or institution. So as soon we launch internet, and very first page whatever it is going to be open and displays onto the screen, we are going to call it as home page. See, this is the home page of the Google. Here we can see there is address bar. See, where we are going to enter one particular address. See, address is particular information what we are going to search. See, this is the address bar. On address bar we are going to search any website name. See, for example, here I am going to enter www.google.com. See, as soon as I enter www.google.com, now the Google home page is going to be open here. See, now this is the home page of Google. On home page of the Google, there is a address bar again here. Here I can enter the information. That means what are the information I want to get from the internet. That particular information if I enter and if I submit, I am going to get the information of particular topics what I have given over the internet. See, in this way we are going to launch internet, or we are going to open internet in our computers. I hope now practically you have understood how can we open or how can we launch internet in our computers. Thank you.